lady like. Hey you guys, my name is Tyra. Welcome back to my channel. Help me. So I know I've been MIA for a while. Like, let me be honest with you guys. I have not been doing my hair at all. I've just been putting it up a lot. Like, not even washing it, just putting it up. Leaving gel and then putting it up. That's it. That's it. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you, I have not been good with my hair this past like 2-3 weeks. Seriously, haven't been caring about school. I just want to get out. Yeah, that's it. But the only reason why I haven't been posting is because of prom, graduation, and then my birthday is close to graduation, and then you got cookouts, and then you got pre-send-offs. Like, there's so much in April, May, and June coming up for a senior. Like, it's just clumped up. Then finals. Oh my gosh, so much to do. But I finally have the time to like sit down and do something. So today I'm going to be doing my makeup routine. It's just like a little get ready with me. Like, my makeup routine is really simple. I obviously already did my eyebrows, but my makeup routine is really simple because I do not know how to do makeup that good. Like, I'm really practicing for my graduation because I'm not trying to pay like $50 or $75 just to get my makeup done. But prom, yes, but graduation, no. So I'm practicing, and you'll see me do like a few get ready with me's. I'm gonna try to get my best friend to do it with me also because she is practicing her makeup also. So look out for that. Me and my bestie. And this is balling with a budget because I am balling with a budget nowadays. Because who got time for like really expensive makeup? Don't point at me because it's not me. Yeah. Oh my gosh.